Hiya! My name's Marie and you're watching Marie's Stuff. So, how you doing today? I'm so excited. Have you done anything fun yet? Well, let's do something fun together. Like... I thought I'd cancelled my subscription before this one was paid for, but obviously I keep forgetting that you pay for things a month in advance for these boxes. So this is definitely the last Disney box I'll be getting, but I can't believe I got the Lilo and Stitch one. Sorry, calm down, take the decibels down. Oh, Lilo and Stitch, take it easy, Stitch. So this again, if I'm right, yeah, this has got the magnetic. It just, oh, look at this box. Make waves all day. Too right. So let's see what's in the box. Let's see if you can see very well. Okay. Oh, I can't believe it. I just couldn't afford another payment, so I had to cancel it. And I'm like, oh, I really wanted this box. But, hey-ho. And the only reason I'm a bit conscious of money at the minute is, well, everyone is right now, but I've got to find somewhere to live, so having to retake stock of everything, but never mind that. Let's have a look at this box. I honestly thought this was we'll have a look at this in a minute, and I promise we will actually look at this. One of my other unboxings, we didn't look at the words, Marie. We didn't look at the booklet, but we will this time, I promise. Right, let's have a look. Ooh, like little handly things. I don't know, not sure what those are for. We'll have to have a look at the book in a minute. Let me take a look at that. Let's have a look at this. Oh, I love these bezels, but I struggle to do them. I've got so many to do. I might have to do another bezel video. Oh, crikey, there's so many. Here we go. Oh, look. Oh, he's so cute. I love Lilo and Stitch, and so many of my family loves Lilo and Stitch. Ahana means family. And Stitch hugging a drink. This is mainly Stitch. There's not a lot of Lilo because it's there we go, love. Oh, it's so cute. Because it's done on the Stitch Goes on Holiday or something like that. So it's done towards that film. Or it is mainly Stitch. So what have we got? Okay. Oh, we've got floating shaker oil. Cool. We've got, sometimes this has a bit of something in it, but that doesn't, thankfully. We've got scented crystal LED. Ooh, coconut. Ooh, don't smell resin before it's cured. Always after, please. It does leave the coconut scent after it's cured, and you just get that still a strong scent, and it's gorgeous. Nice. And then we get 25 grams of their standard UV resin for silicone molds, and we get odorless LED resin, 70 grams. Oh, that's a different type of resin. We'll have to have a look at that. Okay. I'll have to have a try of that one. Cool. And then we've got, oh, I love travel tag. Not that too many of us are traveling at the minute, but that's cool. You never know, come the future. Oh, that's wicked. I was going to look at buying this one separately. Because at least it's got Lilo in it, but yeah, that's wicked. And they're not joined either, they are actually completely separate, so that's cool. I don't know if you can see it properly, that helps or not. Hula dance in there. Oh, and then this is the look, you've got Stitch on his own, and he can hug a shaker. That's your shaker one, I think. Yeah. And then, God, you've got loads in here again. And then, oh yeah, these are kind of scenty type ones for using. You can hang them in your car for the scents and stuff like that. We'll use them for just about anything. They're wicked. And you can use the scented resin with that. That's cool. And then we get blue, red and yellow, which are your basic colours, which you can then mix up to make whatever you fancy, I suppose. Cool. And I wonder if these are glow in the dark. But you get some gorgeous words. What's it called again? Not sparkles. Oh, for goodness sakes, Marie. This stuff. You get some really nice chain. It's got a really nice clasp on there by the looks. Yeah. And then, oh, these are gorgeous. Yeah. Right, so let's have a look. Let's actually have a look at the brochure this time. Glitter! Sorry. Anyone wearing headphones? That's the word I was looking for. Glitter. Oh my goodness. How do you cope with me, guys? Oh, cool. Surfboard mould. Oh, yeah, that's what the necklaces are for by the looks. Travel one, shaker one. And then you've got all the different bezels that I showed you. Yeah, we've got everything. That's cool. And what are these? Oh, luggage tags. Makes sense now. Duh. Dreamy glitter. Oh, they're not glow in the dark. That's absolutely fine. It's still stunning glitter. That's fine. And mica powders. Resin measurements. This is what I like. Not that you need it with UV resin, but at least it tells you. And then instructions. Oh, these are just standard instructions now. These ones, because they haven't actually put in one-to-one resin in there, so they've only put in. Yeah, cool. Awesome. So, yeah, what a wicked box and what a surprise. I really wasn't expecting that. I opened this because obviously you get it in separate packaging, so I was expecting this month's box. Oh, for goodness sakes, I just dropped the, good job it's got the lid on it. I just dropped the mica powder out. Yeah, so I was expecting the latest elves box for this month. And when I opened the packaging and it was the Lilo and Stitch box, I was like, oh my gosh. Sorry, too high. So yeah, as you can imagine, that's made my day. Totally, absolutely love it. So pleased I got it. I know Lilo and Stitch isn't for everyone, but yeah, it is for me. And 90% of the youngsters in my family love Lilo and Stitch. You know, nieces and nephews, mind you, they're all grown up now, so they still love Lilo and Stitch. I don't think there's a one of them that doesn't love Lilo and Stitch. So, yeah. Who doesn't love a bit of Lilo and Stitch? I mean, but here we go. And I know, yes, I know that Disney's been not that great, but you know, hey, it's Lilo and Stitch. Cool. So, I hope you liked the video. If you did, like and subscribe. If you don't, let me know in the comments down below. But please be kind. I'm just doing this for fun. And I'm not a professional. Different order, but hey ho. Thanks for watching. And that's everything. But before I go, the next time you decide you don't like the way someone looks, just remember, when you take away all the squishy parts, we're all just skeletons, aren't we? Try being kind. The results might just surprise you. Thanks for watching.